hollow points.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, some things are definitely different. We're definitely sitting inside of a new build. I'm kind of late to dropping the new build. I wanted to drop it stock and do all of the mods on the channel and show everybody all of the mods, but I know a lot of time like mod videos and install videos don't really do well. So I just went ahead and so far I've got wheels on the car. I'm actually picking up, I just picked up coilovers. I'm on my way to pick up a tune for the car. If you know your cars, just looking at the interior, you might have an idea of what it is. 4-door, of course. I still have the Jetta, still at the house. It runs, starts, it drives, it has a dead battery right now. I'll get into that also because it's not all good, but it's not bad at all. But right now this is about the new daily that we picked up on the channel. Drop a thumbs up, let me know what you think. Like I said, so far I haven't done any mods. I've only done wheels, and they're OEM wheels. So I mean, we'll see what we get into. Right now I have like 10 minutes until I get to the next spot to get the tune. I probably put like 1,000 miles on the car. We have emissions here in Georgia. Car passed emissions. I got it for a hell of a deal for what it is. It does have miles on it. I'm not going to tell you guys how many miles. A lot of the maintenance and things that comes with these cars has already been done. The car was never modded. It has upgraded injectors, which are OEM also, so it was a bonus, but it's not technically a mod. But it is once you start tuning, so that's gonna be fun. The guy that owned it had the car for 8 years, so he did everything, and it came with a list of all the stuff that he did. Super cool guy. Gave it to me for a hell of a deal. Maybe once I tell you guys what it is, I'll tell you how much I paid for it. But let me just get to this tune, and I'll probably link up with Jahaud and Kosi and show y'all the car. I've been waiting to drop it just because I wanted to do like a proper video, and I wanted Kosi to do it and take some time, get some B-roll and shit with the stock wheels that I had, but they were fucking, excuse my language, they were bad. I'll drop a picture of it on stock wheels, and then I'll, you know, y'all will see it stock, and then from here, it's just, I'm gonna make it like my perfect daily, like just something I can drive every day, so I can go ahead and start going crazy with the Jetta. But I'm gonna just drive over it, and I'll hit y'all back. I told y'all I would show you the car. Me and Jahaud are about to put coilovers on it because it came stock. So I might as well show y'all the car before I put the coilovers on it. And this is Jahaud, Rich Boy Flex now. F30, got the bays locked up. New whip.
Pull up in the fastest fucking whip. I might pull up with the baddest fucking bitch. I might, nigga might pull up in a ring Range Rover. Nigga doing donuts. Niggas meet you and they swear that they know you.
LCI 335i. Coilovers in the trunk. I already put the kicker in here. Style 95s. And then it's iDrive. Peanut butter. Updated iDrive. It's kind of dark, but we're stressing. We got one side jacked up. I'm not going to do a coilover install. Go ahead and bang this out. But you guys will see it low. Not an install video, but yeah, you see that? Man hands. Okay, not an install video. We did get the coils on. This is fitment. We didn't adjust it. We just set it before we put it on. We only got one side on, so it's kind of leaning over and it's not really sitting like flat, but this is kind of the look that I was going for too, so this is good. I'll probably lower it probably like to this line though. I got plenty of room in here. Especially if I put a good roll on it, it's gonna rub right here on the back. So if I roll it, should sit pretty nice. The front, I got enough room in the front to bring it without putting a spacer. Ooh, I love that little poke though. Ooh-wee. All right, so not an install video. I'll be back when it's done. More mods. Oh yeah, look, I had the sticker slap. I'm ready. Come on, bro. 335. Okay, guys, I don't even know what day this is. This is like day 8 of fucking 335 ownership. I just left the post office. I ordered a bunch of stuff, but I moved to Woodstock and I haven't done like a formal change of address. So it's not like automatically sent. More of the story, I ordered some shit on eBay. It came to the neighborhood, but the address was wrong, so it took it back to the post office. So I just had to go pick all of it up. It's like 9 a.m., 9:15 in the morning. And I just pick up the stuff. I'm gonna park the car and I'll show you what it is. I'm actually gonna put it all on right now because I've been waiting for it to help like tie the car in just a little bit more. I can show y'all what I did so far, so give me a second, let me park this thing. Naturally, I had to get the M4 style 3D printed carbon mirror caps. Love that for me. Some smoked side markers because the orange reflectors are just not him. So I got some smoked ones, and then I got smoked fender lights, the blinkers, but it's sequential too, so it's like some weird wiring you gotta do in it. But I'm gonna just go ahead and slap all this on. This is not an install video, so show y'all what we're working with. Don't forget, putting this on my E90 335 is an LCI model. For the new people, I have a big turbo Jetta. Doing these mirror caps first. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're actually on our way to go do something pretty freaking lit. Brandon is gonna hook us up with a roof wrap on the 335. The car is white. I just want to do it in black. I like how the white cars with the black roofs look. And then eventually I may do the M Sport bumper, the front and the rear has a diffuser, and it'll just tie in with everything. I got the carbon mirror caps on. It'll be Brandon's first time seeing the car, so I just want to pull up with it clean. And I've never had anything wrapped before, so I'm pretty excited actually. I think it'll make a big difference on the car because it looks bland. First, we're gonna stop at FedEx though, because they just called me and said that they have a package for me. I think it's either the front lip, I ordered like a lip splitter. Oh my God, the police are everywhere in Woodstock today. Or it's gonna be the carbon trunk lip. I'm pulling up to the car wash right now. About to get in here, just clean the wheels and stuff. And then I'm gonna ride over to FedEx. I'll show y'all what it is. And then when we get to Brandon's, probably put you guys on a time lapse. Let my boy get to work. So this is what I just did, the sequential fender lights, and they're fucking flimsy, so I'm gonna 3M tape them. These are where I was saying I have smoked I got the mirrors on. It's kind of a fitment. I'm hoping it's the front lip because I want to put the lip on. I don't mind riding without the trunk spoiler, but just to have all this going on right now, I need those little front lip canards. Let me go ahead and wipe this down. I told Brandon I'd be there like 1:30. I didn't know FedEx was gonna call, so it's noon right now. Let me get to it.
Yeah. Come on, baby, we can talk about. I got a bad little bitch in front of us, I should walk it out. Like, come on, baby, what you talking about? I got a bad little bitch in front of us, I should walk it out. Like, hold on, baby, watch your fucking mouth. I wash that shit out with that soap, go ahead and clean it out. Like, hold on, baby, what you fucking mouth? I wash that shit, I clean it up, bitch, you wash it out. Like, hold on, let me pop it out. At the sunroof, I had to spark it out. Like, hold on, baby, let me walk it out. Hellcat in the parking lot. Like, hold on, can we go to your home? I need me an igloo, I've been smoking on these snow cones. Help me find my super suit, bitch, call me Frozone. I be fucking on your bitch, she ain't got no clothes on. Come on.
Alright, I'm here at FedEx. Just picked up this big old box. I think these are the canards for the bumper. And like I said, I don't have an M Sport bumper. Might do it. Alright, this is what we have. It's just a little bumper lip extension. I'm gonna 3M it in. Wrong side. It's for the front, like this. Boom. It comes with weather stripping and stuff. I think that's gonna be pretty dope, actually. Yeah, something like that. It's gonna be nice. You see the bumpers all scuffed? I'm excited for this, so let me get to Brandon. Let's get this roof done. It's already hotter than the devil's ass crack out here. Put this in the car and get out of here.
Go ahead and clean it out. Like, hold on, baby, what you fucking mouth? I wash the shit, I clean it up, bitch, you wash it out.
East Coast Tent Customs. East Coast Customs. Yeah, you feel me? You get the vibes.
What up? Streets Royalty.
Yeah, you see my boy
DCT Customs.
tatted it on him on Brandon's newest whip. From the Lexus. You guys missed the whole X5. M.
Yeah, for real.
Make sure y'all give Brandon a follow, but he's gonna go ahead and I think we're doing the roof in black to match all my little accents. My little chrome delete. My carbon. My 3D printed carbon. So I just been standing off to the side. I didn't really have a minute to record because Brandon knocked this shit out in 38 seconds. But we got the black roof now. And then we left these little side things because they're paint matched on the front windshield. There's a little strip here. So we left the roof rails just because it has this paint match strip, which I think is black on other cars.
Originally?
Yeah, I don't know why.
No, they're white.
I like it though.
Actually, on this one.
But, oh, they came like that?
Yeah.
Brandon makes me want to do this panda, the panda on the Q.
Everybody go comment panda if y'all want me to do this one.
Ooh, look at that. Let me know. Y'all can comment panda down below. I'll do it. Some white and some carbon. Some black, I mean the carbon. Maybe some satin white spots. That'd be dope. Filling the roof. I really need to clean my wheels up now. Yeah. But comment below which one of these cars will walk the other one. I think Brandon will walk me right now.
335 life is, that's it. Old Turbskis.
Yes, sir, ski.
Bro, it's all exterior stuff. It ain't no engine lines,
Yeah, right.
no nothing.
Big injectors, 10-inch flames.
Nah.
All right, guys, when we get this pulled out, I'll show y'all, but you see the black roof. Litty like a titty. That reflection is crazy. I never had a wrap before. East Coast tech.
Had to get my boy right real quick.
Y'all see that? The black roof hits. I'm not sure how much of that I actually was able to get. I wanted to show you guys like the process of it, but I didn't really consider that since it was a roof and it was just such like a static piece that it probably took him like 15 minutes, but definitely want to give a super big shout out to Brandon. I'm gonna put his @ on the screen. It'll definitely be in the description. Also, just give my boy a follow. Let my boy know if you need something wrapped, if you're local to Atlanta, Tennessee, Alabama, like somewhere we can go to. But y'all know Brandon been doing wraps and all types of crazy like cosmetic stuff all this time, so definitely had to go show my boy some love, drop off some KK. And he also got me right with the roof wrap, so that's super exciting. If something else picks up though, I'll definitely get back and let y'all know what we're doing, but for right now, we just chilling. So I'm at the shop now, but I just put these on. Came out crazy. I know it looks really good up front now. The front was lacking because it didn't have anything and the bumper is smooth. And you know, BMW shit is always like, it just did a lot. And then the fact that they come paint matched, it really helped bring the side in because the car's so like side low, so now it's even with the roof and the mirrors it's coming together. Nice build. Gotta clean these wheels up. But I'm super, for $100 eBay pieces like that, super impressed. I didn't think it would look that nice. And they just slap on. They come pre-painted. You just slap them on. That's good money. I can save myself from having to get a bumper until these fall off. I love it. Let me get somewhere else where I can take some pictures and really show it off. I just wanted to show y'all. Look at the roof. White fin, black fin, carbon. Somebody comment